Ought to is a modal verb used to express advice, duty, or what is correct to do. It has a similar meaning to should, but sounds more formal. For beginners, think of ought to as a polite way to give strong recommendations about what someone should do. Here are common examples of ought to in sentences. You ought to exercise daily. For good health means regular exercise is important for staying healthy. She ought to finish her homework before dinner shows completing responsibilities first is proper. They ought to respect the rules of the community teaches following shared guidelines is right. We ought to be more careful with our spending reminds us to manage money wisely. The basic structure of ought to is simple. Subject plus ought to plus base verb. For example, I ought to study uses the base form study after ought to. This structure never changes regardless of who is doing the action. Ought to always expresses duty, advice, or moral obligation and is more formal than should. To make ought to negative, use ought not to or the shorter form ought not to plus base verb. You ought not to smoke so much means smoking too much is wrong. She ought not to tell lies teaches honesty is important. We ought not to waste food reminds us to value resources. The negative form emphasizes what someone should avoid doing. For past tense, use ought to have plus past participle. You ought to have helped him yesterday expresses regret that help was needed but not given. She ought to have finished the report last week shows a responsibility was not completed. They ought to have arrived by now indicates an expected arrival time past. This form talks about duties from the past that were ignored. Questions with ought to move ought before the subject. Ought plus subject plus base verb. Ought I to go now asks if leaving is the right choice. Ought we to start the meeting seeks confirmation about timing. Ought they to be on time questions if punctuality is expected. Notice we never use do, does, or did with ought to questions. Now practice using ought to by filling in the blanks. You blank exercise more regularly expects ought to. We blank respect our elders needs ought to. She blank to apologize for being late uses ought. They blank finished the project yesterday requires ought to have. Practice these patterns to master ought to usage. Remember these key points about ought to. It means formal should for advice and duty. Affirmative uses subject plus ought to plus base verb. Negative is ought not to or ought not to plus base verb. Questions put ought before subject. Past tense uses ought to have plus past participle. These rules make ought to easy to use correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.